Hello everyone, welcome to Learn ReactJS for Frontend Development by CodeChef. In today's lesson, we will be looking at destructuring in JavaScript, a feature where you can extract values from objects and arrays in a more clean and readable format. So as your database grows, repeatedly accessing object properties and array indices makes your code difficult to read. Destructuring solves it by pulling out the exact value that you need in a single statement. It is used heavily in modern JavaScript, especially in React, from props to hooks. So by the end of this video, you'll understand object and array destructuring. So JavaScript destructuring is a feature that allows us to extract values from objects and arrays. Instead of accessing values repeatedly using dot notation or indexes, destructuring lets us pull out exactly what we need in one step. So why destructuring? As applications grow, accessing object properties and array values again and again can make the code repetitive. Destructuring reduces the repetition, improves readability, and helps us focus on the data we actually need. Object destructuring. Object destructuring is used to extract properties from an object. We use curly braces and the variable names must match the property names in the object. JavaScript automatically finds those properties and assigns their values to the variables. Object destructuring extras. You can rename variables while destructuring using a colon, which is useful when you want different variable names. You can also provide default values in case a property does not exist, which helps avoid undefined values. Array destructuring. Array destructuring works based on position. The first variable gets the value at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. This is much cleaner than accessing array values using indexes repeatedly. Array advanced usage. If we want to skip elements in an array, we can simply leave empty positions using commas. We can also use the rest operator to collect the remaining values into a new array. This is especially useful when dealing with dynamic lists, default values in arrays. Just like objects, arrays can also have default values. If an element is missing, JavaScript uses the default value instead. This makes our code more safer and predictable. Destructuring in React. React uses destructuring everywhere. We use it while importing features, accessing props and components, and working with hooks like useState. Understanding destructuring makes reading and writing React code much easier. Even though destructuring in JavaScript is a simple concept, it changes entirely how React code is written. To truly understand this concept, make sure to head over to the CodeChef platform and try out the practice problems yourself. That's where the real learning happens. So that was it for this lesson. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.